Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to put down your ear flaps on a trapper hat. This is especially for these hunting caps that have these two buttons, which don't mind this tear. That was from last winter. I hit a tree, so because I walked into a tree without paying attention and the stick got stuck, and then when I took it out it pulled on the flap and it tore, and it upsetted me really bad. But anyway, to fix these, whoops, sorry about that. To do this will actually keep your ears pretty warm. You see there's a little string right here. What you need to do is just pull it out, and there it's free. Now, then getting it back on it's very tricky, unless if you have really good hands, which sometimes I don't. Sometimes I wish I didn't have my shaky hands. You almost got it. And the trick is you gotta put it from left to right, or right to left, whatever you're comfortable with. And you do that with both sides. And basically what this will do, it'll warm up your ears, because what it does, it squeezes on your ears a little bit, and then that creates warmth on the head, and that's what you want. Okay, I'm having a little trouble. I hope you guys understand that. By the way, I'm making this video because there is no videos on YouTube explaining this. When I look it up, I usually find other brands of hats like Stormy Kromer, how to put their ear flaps down, but I haven't found one about these trapper hats. And I was like, really? Not one? Okay. See, it's a little tricky because you gotta really get it around the button there. And you want to be careful though, because as you can see, these aren't sewn real thick, so you don't want to squeeze too hard on the button, because otherwise you'll break it, and then you're gonna have a problem. Alright, let me set this down. And you guys like the jacket, so I guess I'll just keep wearing that when I do these kind of videos. So, well, you seem to anyway, so. See, I almost got it. Now, see, don't mind that click, it's just the snap. But, alright. So, yeah, so basically all you have to do is just put this string around this. And mind you, it is tricky. I wish it was like a buckle or something, because that would have probably worked better, but I discovered this recently. I was like, holy crap, this is cool. Actually, you know, because I didn't know that. I thought these were for just decoration, but I'm like, there's got to be a way to get it off from the top. But yeah, you guys could figure this out. I know I'm going on 3 minutes already, but that shouldn't be that difficult. But anyway, like I said, you just do that for both sides. And then again, I'll show you again with this side. You just pull the string, you hold the button, and then, whoops, and then it comes free. And that's all you do. And then you just move them to the bottom. And then basically, like I said, this will squeeze on your ears, and then that creates warmth along the ears, and that's how you can keep your ears warm. But anyways, unless you want to keep them like a dog and just leave them like this, but it looks kind of tacky in my opinion. But anyway, I hope you guys like this. You can't buy these hats anymore. I bought the second one. There was only like 10 left when I bought them, so, and when I went back to get another one just to get a spare, well, they were gone, because, well, they were pretty cheap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye for now.